Hey there, I'm Jace, and I built SecureGPT, a Chrome extension that protects your privacy when using AI chat platforms like ChatGPT and Claude. It automatically detects and removes sensitive information like emails and credit cards, ensuring your personal data is always safe. Let me show you how it works. As a user, I'll typically type in or paste in some information I want ChatGPT to process. Here, I'll type in some sensitive information. My email is maybe like john@company.co. And look, immediately it replaces the sensitive information with a placeholder. I can also try to type in some other numbers, like maybe like a social security number like this. And you can see in less than a second, my social security number is immediately deducted. Now, I'll even try to paste in some sample credit card numbers. I'll show you right here. This is a website that generates realistic credit card numbers, and I'm going to copy one example right here. Go back to ChatGPT. I'm going to paste the entire content over here. Boom. In less than a second, once again, the credit card information is immediately deducted. The extension recognizes the sensitive information and easily replaces all of them with safe placeholder, which you can edit furthermore. So I made sure that this tool gives you full control over when and how you want to protect your data. Let me show you what I mean by that. So if you were to click on the extension, you're able to see more information, and click on the full configuration page, and you'll be guided here to the full configuration page. You can look at different information such as your general settings, enable or disable it. Select which website you want this extension to be applied on, like it can be ChatGPT, LLaMA, Perplexity, and so on. And also specify different detection patterns that you are interested in, be it email address, credit card, API keys, IP address, and so on. It overall keeps you extremely safe when you're using this product. And finally, I want to be very clear that this algorithm that we are using is simply a simple rule-based filtering mechanism, which means that there are no AI usage at all. This means that your data is forever safe and never ever stored or processed by any AI entity. Once again, I'm Jace, and SecureGPT keeps your sensitive data protected across all major AI platforms. Available now in Google Chrome Extension Store. Let me know what you think, and thank you very much. Cheers.